Hey there, everyone. It's me, Missy Marci. We're out here on the water having some fun. We're kayaking. Rock, rock, rock your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Rock, rock, rock your kayak gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! And here we are, kayaking on a place called Shallow Lake. Super fun. Don't forget to wear your life jackets. And take your oar. Double oar, that is. Be safe. Have fun. Happy summer. Woohoo! Missy Marci signing off.